The marble run has taken children around the world by storm, and STEM education in early years is receiving more attention among parents and teachers. We have taken one step further and created toys that combine these two wonderful ideas. It is the STEM educational building blocks, Marble Run Tracks. These mega building blocks are the perfect educational toys for infants aged 3 years or above. Check out these super huge blocks. Cute babies can easily grab and play with them. Kids in every part of the world like playing with marbles, and they can look at marbles running through tracks for a whole day without getting bored. Check out how much fun kids from Hong Kong have with our Talent Marble Tracks. The Talent Marble Tracks have a vast array of blocks. The track blocks that include turn, straight track, slides, and track linkage. 10 marbles. The basic big block comes in various shapes. And last but not least, some special blocks. The block in black is a separator, a tool to help kids dismantle the track. Children can develop their fine motor skills when using it. With 129 blocks, children can build various models to let the marbles run. A highway, a cute lizard, and so much more. Not only are these blocks fun, but also educational. It's got 4 booklets inside. To start with, children can get familiar with how to build a track. The Talent Marble Track booklet will let you and your babies explore what models to build. You get tons of models to choose from. We guarantee that the fun will never stop. After getting the hang of it, children could start exploring the more advanced booklets, including the Dragon Body Code, Strategy Sliding Chess, and Road of Strategy. These books have numerous interesting mind-boggling games for children to play with their friends. They can certainly spice up playtime during holidays or STEM sessions during class. This model is great for kids to develop spatial intelligence, observation and fine motor skills, and logical reasoning skills. Who said STEM learning must be boring? Get your kids passionate with STEM learning with the Talent Marble Tracks.